tester. This one, I check it out, see how good it is. I will put it, sorry about the noise. So I have it here about 2 feet away from my mouth, and I'll try to synchronize it with my Panasonic consumer camcorder. I will change to my lavalier mic just a minute, but I'll try this out first to see if I can, well, I need to practice synchronizing sound with video, so this is what I do. I had a busy day. I've been storing up mist today, cleaning up, and I made a nice red background. It looked fine, I think. I've not checked it out on the computer yet, but I will do that later. Okay, I will change. And yeah. Yeah, I should have it now. So now I use the lavalier mic, and it look fine. I think it's not going up so fast, so high. I just have to get used to not look at the screen, so I plug it inside. It should be in focus. It's follow me with face recognition or whatever it's called. I put it up. I have a small tripod in front of the camera tripod. So I don't have to sit with it. And then I just have to find out how to speak. Well, it's a Tascam dr-22wl. WL stands for wireless, I think. I can use my smartphone and check out the distance there are, the levels on the volume. But I'm too lazy. Oh, did I turn it off? No. So it's still working. I hope this it's fine for testing of my practice video with synchronization. So that's for today. I'll see you when I put it up, and then leave a comment below if I do it okay.